Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to share with you how you can find the right concealer. Now, to be honest right away, when it comes to finding the right shade, nothing really replaces seeing it in person. This can be drugstore or high-end, whatever you prefer, because that way you can actually see the concealers and shades they offer. If you try to do this online, you have the issue of not seeing it in person, which makes it much harder to choose the right one. Yes, you might get lucky and pick the correct shade by chance, but the most reliable way is still to go to a store. So once you are there, swatch concealer testers on the back of your hand to see the shade and texture, and then apply a bit of concealer to your face. Now, if you want to pick a concealer to brighten your under eye area, then it should be a bit lighter than your skin tone. But do not go too light, as otherwise it will look weird, especially if you want to use it on bare skin. However, if you want to choose an all-around concealer, then it is important to pick a shade that blends evenly into your skin tone. This way you can use the concealer on its own on your bare face to cover up some blemishes or darkness around the eyes and so on. So while testing this, you also get a feel for the consistency of the concealer and the finish. Plus you can also see it in natural light, which is very important, because this is how it actually will look in real life, not how it might appear under studio lighting or on social media. Once everything fits as you like, you can just buy it in the store, and then later on, when you run out of it, you can simply order it online again. Or what I often do is check the prices online and see if it is maybe even cheaper there, since you already know your shade and that it works well for you. That's basically how I do it. And remember, your skin tone can shift a bit over time. For example, when you are more in the sun or during different seasons. So you might need to adjust your shade slightly bit. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.